Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Peacock Way. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're having a good day. So, let's start doing this project. In this project, I'm using this designer paper and try and see for the background, and I'm using two kinds of colors in gelatos. I'm going to try and see how it works out. So, I'm just rubbing it on the paper. I like the background, so I'm not going to change a lot, but I'm just going to add little bit different color and blend it and see how it works out. So I'm using this blue color, and the other one is like a mustard color gelatos. It's not bad. Then adding little more colors to blend it. These two colors, and I'm going to make sure it all dries up before I start the next process. Now I'm using this stencil, and I'm using acrylic paint. I'm putting it on different areas just to give a little bit background texture. Now I'm using watercolor paint, and I'm going to darken it a little bit and then splatter it. Now I'm going to dry it. I'm using this Tim Hole stamp, and I'm going to use that on this page. You can use any stamp on this. Now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm using distress oxide, and I'm going to use the stamp on that. Now I'm going to dry little bit, not too much, then because I want to put this embossing powder. Now I'm going to heat it. Then for the focal point, I'm using this bird and some flowers. Before that, I'm going to use this washi tape and um, stick it on the page so it gives some extra element. So I'm going to stick the bird and finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Um, Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments. So you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next video with a new project. Thanks for watching. Bye.